Founded in 1998, Dongguan Jada Magnet Products Company Limited has been specializing in the development, production, and sales of high-quality neodymium iron-boron materials. It is one of the high-tech enterprises in Guangdong. Over the past 2 decades, its annual production capacity is now up to 300 tons, and various neodymium magnet products are sold in many different countries and regions, such as Europe and America, Southeast Asia, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan. In 2012, we established our new development base by purchasing a piece of land of 32,000 square meters and built our own standardized industrial park. Our R&D team is autonomous and dynamic, and our new factory has introduced in a large number of advanced equipments from Germany, Japan, and America for production and inspection. Our production covers all the processes of sintered neodymium magnet, from the very beginning of rare earth formula to smelting, sintering, cutting into shape, surface coating, and inspection.